Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X3 GT and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. Alright, so first of all let's open your contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's tap on edit contact, so this is this pencil icon in the right upper corner, and tap on add photo. And as you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. We can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. You can pick where you want to complete this action, find the photo and tap on it. And here from this tab you can change the position of this highlighted square. You can make it smaller or bigger. Unfortunately you cannot do anything with the photo, but that's okay. Basically position it just like you want to, because this square is responsible for what you will see after saving the contact. So if you are happy, just tap on OK, and as you can see the photo will appear in this circle. If you are happy with the results, remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like with the photo applied. You will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.